So, really, who am I? And what do I do? Some of you may see me as a teacher, a freelancer, a worker, a businessman, and even a musician. In reality, I'm probably a bit of everything mentioned above, but in my youth, my dream was to become an inventor. And here I am, most of the time in my lab, creating stuff. I have many interests, mostly in the universe of science, though it doesn't stop there. I like music, art, drawing, writing, painting. Also, I'm a fan of rock climbing, and I secretly really like Dungeons and Dragons and fantasy novels. I've been wondering for a long time, most of my 20s, what I would do in this world, or what I could give to the world. Ending up with a YouTube channel wasn't a bad idea at all, since I think I have a lot to offer in terms of knowledge and experiences. Actually, I recorded my first album in 2007. I composed all of the 9 tracks, recorded all the instruments and vocals, mixed everything, and even produced myself. At that time, I was only 18 years old. I can't say I'm really proud of the result now listening to the CD, but I'm really glad of what that young adult could achieve with creativity and $1 microphones. This is truly a great achievement in my life. 2 years later, I released another album, which is more accomplished and has a higher polished result, though this is still the consequences of a one-man band. I knew then that music was my passion and a way to express myself. I see myself as a shy person, even if people think I always try to be the loud one in parties. So I decided to keep music as a passion and that I wouldn't work to earn money out of it. Still, I managed to win some contracts in the world of commercial and publicity, but I prefer to write music for special occasions or just for myself. Getting so close to musical equipment really triggered something in my inventor's brain, and that's where I decided to learn electronics. 3 years later, I was a professional audio-video technician and was certified as an electronic repair technician. I think you bet it, my innovator's side wasn't fulfilled yet, because I really wanted to design and create audio circuit, guitar effects, mixers, amplifier and such gadgets by myself. This is when I pushed myself to learn on my own and try some DIY. Like most of you out there, I dedicated myself with YouTube, and I am not embarrassed to admit it. Once I was comfortable with simple audio design, I discovered a new passion, which was robotics. This was love at first sight. Indeed, I was truly an inventor. I simply got fascinated by mechanics, movement, physics, and all of it combined with electronics was just a miracle to me. I took many different approaches and tried to tackle various subjects in my channel, but overall, this was only a way to express myself and give back to you, the one reading me, watching me, or learning from my content. I clearly see that I didn't answer the question asked at the very beginning of the presentation. Who am I? Well, I'm Phil, founder of the Phil Studio, content creator, instructor, and product designer. Yes, I am currently designing product to help all of you guys learn what I've learned during my journey these last 10 years. My goal is to allow everyone to have access to knowledge and boost their creativity to attain their full self and understand a bit more about science, music, and electronics.